Okay, this is TJ Farm. So this is what I did to my old refrigerator. I made it as an incubator. See? So technically tomorrow is the 21st day, but some of my chick hatched today. So it's their 20 day, but they hatched. Look. So when I see them over there cracking, I put them over here and then they just hatch from there. And I already have some that I put in here. See that I have the heat lamp. I just also turned on the heat lamp, so it's not really warm yet. See, it's 55, but it's going up. So I have it right there. So wherever the chicks like if it's too hot there, they might move away. So it's like a temporary stuff. It's a setup that I might need to change as it goes. So right now I'm just observing what they're doing and stuff. So if they move away from it, so maybe the lamp is too close, or if they move to the center of the heat, this is the center right here is the hottest area. If they move to that center, it means they want it warm. So I might move the lamp closer. But I start it away, and I search in Google that the floor temperature of the brooder should be at like 90 to 95 degrees. So we'll see. I know my temperature, because outside the weather in here, I live in New York and it's really winter, and the outside weather is like 30 degrees. So my thermostat is saying, but before I turn it on, it was 38. So it's about 3 minutes now and it's 58 degrees, so it's going up. So I want to see that the temperature to the floor is about 90 to 95 degrees. And if I get that temperature, it means that's good. That way they don't feel cold. The chicks wouldn't feel cold because it's really cold. And this here, my farm is really cold. I don't have a heater here. So the source of heat is just in this box. So I put in, I started about, so that tray is like 41 and at the top is 41, so that's 82 eggs, and I have some extra eggs that I put on top of them. I thought they would not gonna hatch because I did it like this, like you see this one, see this one is about to hatch right here. So I did it like that, and then I thought it would not hatch because it's not gonna really move left and right a lot, but I'm surprised they actually hatch. So I have it here just so when they hatch it doesn't fall there, because when I opened up this morning, because I was not expecting them to hatch today, so some of them actually fall everywhere, somewhere here, and I didn't have this, so I just put this also, so if they ever fall here, at least they have something to grab from their feet, so they're not just slipping around. So I just put this in and observing. So tomorrow I should have more hatch, because tomorrow is the hatch day, January 28, 2023. So I already have some chicken from my previous hatch. I made like a small box hatch. Last time I only have one tray, and I added another one to have more production, because right now, not right this time, eggs prices are very high. So egg prices are very high, so I raised them March, so about 6 months, like around July, they should start laying eggs. And if I have some male, then I have to butcher them. And here are some of my chicken. I mean, it's a garage that I make as a farm, a garage that I make as a barn. I have my goats. Right there, and I have all my chicken onto the top. See, I have probably 50 chickens now, and I butchered some of the male. So I still have a lot of males, so around maybe 35, 36 hens, which is going to produce an egg a day. So I would have 36 eggs every day when it starts to get warm. Right now it's winter. See, they're very loud because I'm loud. Right now it's winter time, and they don't lay eggs a lot. Let me see. I didn't look today if they have eggs today or not. But yeah. So we got 0 eggs. They lay eggs over here. We got 0 eggs today. It's just cold, you know. But that's for the chicken. So we're planning to raise more chicken. Hopefully we could get 100 chicken. So from these chicks and this existing one, and start laying eggs, you know. And then, you know, sell them to our friends. And then, and my goat, so see that goat right there? So he's gonna be ready in around March or April. So he's gonna be 4 or 5 months by actually 5 months by April. So I can sell him for 200 a piece. You know, that's $200. Then 200 right there. So all the baby boy, all the kids, the male kids, I will sell them for butcher, and then I'll keep the female, you know. So I only have a 1-acre farm, which is not a lot, but I'll use what I have, and hopefully will be successful, you know. So I came from Philippines, moved in America, and just, you know, start doing this stuff. It actually, you know, it's not just a hobby, but it's, you know, it relaxes me. But they also make some money, you know, because we can sell them. You know, as soon as the grass grows outside, they can just all be eating grass. Hello, hello, come on, come on. See, that's the male. See that? He's cool. See, are you not camera shy? You're not camera meh. You're not camera shy. Meh. So that's him, and that's mama. He's very good mama. Okay, he got a lot of milk in his belly like that. In his boobs, he got a lot of belly. Hello, meh, meh, meh. Ah, he's a good mama. See, he's really good. And then this is his son. Meh. Okay, so that's my goat, and let's go back to the chicken. So it's a mess here, but you know, that's what it is. It's a startup. Whatever works right now. So they're hatching. So what I did here for my incubator is just, of course, this one, make a swing for the eggs, you know, so it will be turned. And I put a fan to add humidity, circulation, air circulation, and then water, you know. So that water would add moisture, and when it evaporates, it becomes humidity. And then some lights, you know. I have 1, 2, 3 light bulbs, which is like 60 watts. And then a big one right there. So maybe like 200 watts altogether, you know. And then my thermostat. So I open it a lot today just to show, make video. But that's what I have. I just made it up. Thermostat that would reach to 99, and then turn on and off everything. So when it's 99, it turns off the fan and the lights. The humidity would not go crazy. And then, I mean, the humidity stat on this doesn't work that well, but it says 56% humidity, which is good, you know. Eggs, as long as there's a little bit of humidity in there, maybe 40 to 60%, they'll be fine. But you don't want them to dry up, you know. But that's all of my incubator. I just made it up, you know, from a refrigerator, so it's a recycled. So hopefully maybe I will just hatch 50% of this thing. So, but it could be more also, okay, because I see some were hatching earlier than it's supposed to. So all right, stand up. Right there. Okay. So they'll be happy. Close it up because it gets cold right here if I don't close it. And then here's for everyone. Okay. That's it. DJ Farm. Please subscribe and like. Okay. Thank you guys.